this tutorial. In the last video, we programmed a clicker game, but in this video, we want to program something else. So, create a new project. I thought I just teach you how to zoom a button. If already in 2 of my games I included this, like in my clicker game, and now I wanted to show it to you in one video. So, name the project button zoom, and now firstly, if you wonder why this is not looking like it was always looking, my scratch didn't look like that in the other videos. This is because I recorded on a other computer. Now, firstly, we can delete this cat. We don't need it. And we paint a new sprite. Wait. Not select. We paint a new sprite, naming it button. We can also name the costume button. Then we draw a button. First, we choose the fill. I like this blue fill. And then the outline. Make it 10 pixels wide. And now we can drag it and we have a button. Now we can write something on it. And I just right click here. But now, when I can also have this in pixel mode, written in pixel font, and then duplicate this with copy and paste, drag this away, and now make an outline. Make it completely white. And make it 6 pixels wide. Now drag this click text also out and try to match them perfectly. Go with this in the back, and now we have a cool looking outline for our click thing. Also, now click the black click text and then shift click the right click text, then group here, and now we can drag it again in the middle. Looking good. But you can also ungroup it again when you're not okay with something. You also don't need to group it after ungrouping it. Again. Now, that's the design. Now for coding, when green flag click, go to 0, 0 and show. Set size to 100 before showing. And switch costume to button also before showing. Now we'll also do something with the brightness, not ghost and pixelate effect. So just set them also to 0 before showing the button. And then we need a forever loop. If we are touching the mouse pointer, we grow. But how much do we grow? We change size by, and here comes the trick, that it doesn't just pop up when we I can just show it to you. When we set size to 110 or let's say 120 and make out of the if and if then else and set here the size to 100, then yeah, we see that isn't looking that good. So now we have the trick. Pull out and divide and put it into both of these set sizes too. Also, we don't need a set size anymore. We need a change size. Like this. Now we need at the left side and divide subtract also for the in the else for the change size by. And now, what is our target size that we want to grow to? 120 I think is good for me, so I enter that here and here 100. You can experiment with these numbers. Now 120 subtract by what? The current size. so that we don't overgrow. And then we divide that by, let's say, 2 here, because that is the speed that we grow, and we want to be fast here. But here, when it grows back to 100, we want to be slow. So enter 5, 7. Here you can also experiment with these numbers. And look, it is working. Very good. But now nothing happens when we click it. In the if touching mouse pointer, not in the else, we need another if, but not an if else. And we check for mouse down. And if that's the case, we want that the sprite glows. So we repeat 2 times. Setting brightness to 100. And waiting 0.5 seconds and set, or 0.2 and set brightness again to 0. And then after that we wanna repeat again, repeat 10 this time, and we change both pixelate and ghost effect by 10. Now, after that, we just need to hide the button and try that. We see, yeah, here is the button. Now we can have it over it. Cool animation. Click it. Oh, wait. That didn't look good, because we need a good background. And I think also the 0.5 seconds were good here. So just draw a background real quick. There we go. Try it again. Wait. We need also a wait 0.5 seconds here after setting the brightness to 0. Try again. I think 0.1 seconds will also do. Yeah. And I think that is good. But I also think 0.2 seconds are better. But now, that's it for this little short episode. If you you can leave your feedback for this short episodes in the comments for this short tutorials, and if you like them, or if I don't do such tutorials anymore, such short tutorials. This one is 17 minutes, I think. Yeah, leave your feedback in the comments, and like and subscribe if you and like and subscribe. That would really help me. And now, until next time, bye bye.